Uh-oh. Hello again. All right. So we're gonna be out camping, fishing, stuff like that. Probably get some ticks on us and everything. We're gonna get all messy and stuff. Don't really want to crawl in that sleeping bag and stuff, all grotty and everything. Then you got to crawl in it for the next night and the next night, depending how long you're staying over, right? So, what do? Yes, electric camping shower. Electric shower, portable outdoor camping shower set. New generation. Let's see. I never had one of these before. I used to go jump in the lake. Anyway, okay. So when I got the table out and everything, oh my gosh, look at all the stuff in here. Digital thermometer. Obviously, this is a bag to hold some of this stuff. There's a mounting bracket of some sort or something in here. Let's see. This this is a heater. Goes in the 5 gallon bucket. Heat the water up. The shower ought to suck that water up out of that bucket, and that should be how it works. I do believe. I don't know. I haven't read the directions, of course. Oh, here's the shower nozzle. Here's the hose that it hooks to, obviously. Okay. And this, what is this? Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is the submersible pump. Bottom suction submersible pump. What, what is this? Looks just like a little mini sump pump that I use in the basement here in my house. Well, sure it is. That's just what that is, for goodness sakes. Look, rechargeable with a USB cord, suction cups there. Guess it doesn't tip over inside your. Sure enough, a USB charge port there, and it's covered up with a rubber piece so that you can submerge this in your bucket of water, in your 5 gallon bucket. You submerge the heater in the 5 gallon bucket. I can run it. This is rechargeable. This is rechargeable with the USB. So, if I don't ever use the heater, it looks like that runs itself that way. On the other hand, if I want to use the heater, that's when I take the generator or the power plant, the solar charging power plant or the gas generator or both, whatever I'm doing, depending on the circumstances. I have options. I have so much camping equipment, that, not that I have an overabundance or anything. I have just enough, but I have just enough to have options too, where I can use this as opposed to that. You know, not like I have two, three, or four, or five of the anything. I don't. Uh, Mostly just one of anything, such as this. Okay, so we're gonna try this out too. Obviously, we're not doing it today. It's not even going to get above freezing today outside. That's why I had trouble with my frozen cold water pipe this morning. But that's another story. So it's always something. It keeps you active, and you have to stay active, and that's what it's all about. You know. All right. We see you in the next one. As I got something else to show you.